So, you want to change your PlayStation email address or sign-in ID because you want to move all your PlayStation data to a different PSN email. Fortunately, from your PS5 console, you can do it very easily. So, let's get right into it. From the home screen, first we need to go to Settings. Then go to Users and Accounts. And under Account, you will see an option called Sign-in ID. If we highlight it, you will see that you can change your email address from here. So it's very simple. You just need to select it and put in the new email that you want to switch to. So we'll erase all of it and enter our new email. Now you need to make sure that you have both the old email and your new email address as passwords. After entering the email, press Done and then Confirm. Now you need to verify your existing email account. You can do it easily by scanning the QR code using your mobile's camera, and it will redirect you to your PlayStation app if you have installed it. So on the app, we'll select Approve. Now after verifying your old email address, you'll see that the same window has popped up again. This time, you need to sign in using your new email address. So let's do it manually from our console. Now just put in your PlayStation password and then verify your new email. So open up the email, and from here you need to tap on Verify Now. As you can see, it's verified on our mobile and also on our PlayStation console. You can put in a login passcode if you want. So let's do it. And you can also enable recur passcode on checkout and hit OK. And now we have successfully changed our sign-in ID or email address. So if we view it from here, you'll see that the email address has been updated. So that's how you can change the PlayStation sign-in ID from your PS5 console. Hope you found this helpful. Until next time, good games.